Hey guys, Sam here from KeyCommerce.com. Welcome to the free Google Shopping course by KeyCommerce. In this course, you're going to learn the strategies we use to set up, optimize, and scale Google Shopping campaigns for our clients in 2024. We're going to take your results from this to this. Basically, we'll turn your Google Ads account into a sales and profit generating machine for your e-commerce store. Here are the results that we've achieved using the exact strategies that you're going to learn. We started working with this client of ours here that were just generating a few $1,000s from their Google Shopping campaigns. They hadn't set them up properly, hadn't optimized them, and didn't know how to scale them. We began working with them here, and we've already scaled them up to over $30,000 per month in sales in just a few months, all while keeping a profitable ROAS. Here's another Google Ads account that we scaled with Google Shopping too. They were generating $25,000 per month in sales, and we optimized their account to grow to over $60,000 in sales from just Google Ads in just 3 months. You can see this beautiful growth here over 3 months of working with my team and I. This is what happens when you have a Google Ads account optimized properly for your store. And finally, here's another account that was already generating $39,000 in sales per month when they came to us. Using Google Shopping, we scaled them up to over $219,000 in sales per month in just 6 months. This generated $1 million in sales over this period and is still growing to this day. These are the home run results we've achieved for our e-commerce clients using the strategies we teach here in this course. Honestly, I wish I had this course when I started with Google Shopping campaigns. It would have saved me a lot of time and wasted money. This course is easy to follow and understand even if you've never tried Google Shopping before. You're going to learn every step of the process, step by step, all with real screen share videos where you can look over our shoulder and see us working on real accounts. You're going to learn how Google Shopping works, the algorithm, how to set it up properly without wasting time on unnecessary tasks, how to make your website compliant and avoid the dreaded Google Merchant Center suspension, how to set up your product feed and your Google Merchant Center Next account the right way, how to set up conversion tracking so you know how many sales you're getting, how to create and optimize your Google Shopping campaigns for faster sales, growth, and profits. We even give you our own checklist and optimization schedule so you know what changes to make and when to make them. And on top of this, if your campaigns still aren't generating sales and profits, we have a full section on troubleshooting this and what to do in each situation. Now, this course is jam-packed with resources and templates. You'll find access to these below each video, so make sure to check that out. And you may be asking, why is it free? What are you trying to sell to me? Well, I'll be completely honest. At KeyCommerce, we help e-commerce stores that are already generating at least 20K per month in sales scale to over 100K per month in sales or more. But we only work with e-commerce stores that are already generating 20K per month in sales. This course is designed to get you there as quickly as possible. It has everything you need to set up, optimize, and scale your Google Shopping campaigns. There's no upsell or secret strategy left out. It's all here. This is hands down the best Google Shopping course on the web, better than any paid course. And we know that if we get you there to the 20K per month, 50K, 100K per month mark, you're going to need help managing your campaigns, taking it to the next level. So if you're already there at 20K per month, get in touch with us. We'd love to help you talk through how we're going to scale your e-commerce store with Google Ads, Facebook ads, and conversion rate optimization. Ready to start learning? Click the button below and let's get into setting up your Google Shopping campaigns to generate sales and profits for your e-commerce store. Let's go. Make sure to click here for the next video in our free course, and I'll see you there.